digital?
Well, as we talked about earlier, email is going through an evolution. Um, uh, to a certain degree, you can look at email in three different levels. There's the personal communication aspect of email. There's the e-commerce aspect to email. There's the business-to-business communication aspect to email. And there's no question that from a personal to personal communication, email might be rapidly changing as things like social media and other marketing channels and communication channels evolve. But the truth is that the way I look at digital marketing today, I divide it into two areas. I divide it into the areas of push marketing and pull marketing. And I think it can be really divided into those things very simply into those two categories. And you can take a look at all digital marketing from those standpoints. So you have things like search, for instance, or generally pull marketing, where you have to get, you're going out there, you're looking for something, and you're getting it. Push marketing is when it comes into your inbox, or it arrives in a way that you didn't expect. It's disruptive. It gets into your face, and of course, those are the types of things that work when it comes to marketing. So I look at it as sort of three pillars of push marketing are today: email, social, and mobile. All of which are the edges are blurring so much because you send out an email, the chances are pretty good it's going to be read on a mobile device. And those chances are going to go up as the mobile devices become even more ubiquitous than they are today. So there is, as David Daniels says, this email triage that goes on mobile devices. But as Delaquist also points out, just because somebody's read it on your mobile device, most likely they're going to go back and read that on their desktop as well. So you have these incredible overlaps of technologies, making sure that your email is read on a mobile device, can be read on a mobile device, but it's also written in a way that encourages you to go to the desktop and open up the full message, which also has to be played into your strategy. And then, of course, you have social media, which has been around much longer than people imagine. Social media has been around since the beginning of the internet. But it's only now that we have things like Facebook and Twitter where you can amass the amount of eyeballs that you need in order to make it a legitimate channel, or a channel that people like to talk about, I should say, and make it an efficient channel for people to do marketing in. So we have these three pillars now of push marketing. We have social, we have mobile, and we have email, all of which are going to be, I think, rolled up into sort of an Uber marketer's role, where a person in marketing going forward today really needs to have expertise in social, email, and mobile in order to be successful as a marketing channel.